And we are in front of the new Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ for the 2026 model, and with the technical details, with the price of 84,496. And if we have a look, we are looking at a new design, well, fridge in front with this indirectional lighting with storage space right up here, and then standard seating with a smaller space because we are on 540, and then the standard pop-up roof from Knaus is actually pretty wide because I like this one thing. They incorporate the heating element, heating on the pop-up roof, so yeah, when you direct this you can heat up even in winter without any problems. Approximately under about -5 will be okay. There is no head unit but a wider part, additional storage all around, pretty nice, with cabinets also here. And then from this part we have 2-burner stove with sink, 2 pretty deep cabinets right up here, and then this is a greatly new design feature. We have the shower on this side, so you can take a pretty good shower, and then you can do your business right up here on that for toilet. And if you need sink, there you go. Not the biggest one, but well, I would use that one. Then on the back we have 4 additional cabinets for all your belongings, and the bed that goes up and down, actually a pretty nice size, 186, but it's a variable actual height with the actual dimension to the far widest point, 1.4, not bad. This will be slightly lower, but well, yeah, you put your head on this part. And if we go outside, we can check the back side. So understand that you have pretty wide, nice garage with the 5th seat in this position, and with the actual widest part being 1.827. Well, not bad. At position like that we have almost 1 meter of height, but the height is variable depending on your need. You can put it almost at the highest part, or actually lower it down as much as you need it. Pretty nice. So getting back out to get a final view of this 540. It can sleep pretty comfortable 2 people. So